what's up, people? I'm your host Naren from Devil Customs. It's been quite some time since I've uploaded any video. Since I was busy with some of my schedule as I had exams and all those things, I was busy. But from now, we'll have regular videos, guys. I'll show you that I'll upload one video per week or maybe two also. There are several projects that I'm working on. I'll just show you one by one in this video today. I hope all of you are doing good, guys. I hope so. All are fine. I've recently bought a Phaser also. That is a 2010 model. I've bought it. It's almost been 1 month since I bought it. I guess last month I bought. Last month, first or second. I've already started working on that project. I'll just show you a few images right now. It will be displayed on the screen, like when I bought the bike, in which condition it was. And right now I've already removed the fairing, the front fairing, the tank and all that thing. I'm thinking of making it into a chopper. Do comment below like which kind of modification I have to do to that bike. I prefer to make it a chopper. If you people comment like whether I should make it into some other kind of bike like a scrambler or anything, I'll just go ahead and do that. And my Cafe Racer series which I'm working on, it's almost complete. Just some few parts are left right now. That is a bit of wiring is left. I'll finish that soon in a couple of days or one or two. I'll even upload a video regarding that. And main thing, the purpose of making this video is just to give a small update on what I was doing so long. And one of the best things that happened is on this New Year, guys, this Eve, on the New Year Eve of 2021, my channel got 1K subscribers and my channel got monetized also. And I thank you all for that. Love you all for showing so much of support to my channel. And I've decided to gain 10K subscribers in another 6 months and reach 1 million by the end of this year. I hope you people will support me in this project of mine, on this plan of mine. So do subscribe to this channel now and click on the bell icon below so that you'll get all the updates on whatever videos I'm doing. Now I'll just show you the images. That is the image of Phaser when I bought, how it was. And right now I've already disassembled so many parts in it. And I'll even show you like how it looks right now. And from tomorrow I'll have regular videos that I'll keep uploading. My Cafe Racer is almost completed, so I'll upload a whole video on it. And for 1K subscribers, guys, soon you'll have a special video on celebration of my 1K subscribers. That is the video I've planned to make it Cafe Racer's overview video. I'll explain everything what was done to my Pulsar to make it a Cafe Racer. And this Phaser bike, it's my 4th bike in the Devil Customs family. There's already a Suzuki Samurai which I'm working on and it's almost half done, guys. I've made it into off-roading bike. Then the Pulsar, the first bike which was modifying in my channel, you know, it's my regular bike. Then there's a Phaser, that's the 4th bike. I'll just show you all the bikes and all the condition, like how it's looking right now, how is it gonna look in the future. So do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. And one more thing, guys, I've already made a hell lot of videos, that is, I've recorded a hell lot of videos for you people, which are not yet uploaded. The thing is, I'll have to edit those videos and soon I'll edit and start uploading them in my channel. So just subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos which are coming. Do comment below, guys, like if you have any doubts regarding modification of any bike, not only the bikes which I do, even the modification of any other bikes or any doubts if people are having regarding any repair or anything. Do comment below, feel free to comment below and I'll make sure I'll read your comment and reply so that you can carry on with whatever work you're doing or whatever doubt you have is clarified. Love you all for all your support. I've reached 1K subscribers. Soon it's gonna be 10K and 1 million. Love you all. This right here are my 4 bike, guys, as you already know. This is the Pulsar which I've kept modifying it from the start. And this one right here, the red one, is the Cafe Racer which I've built. It's almost done. Hardly some 5 to 10% work is left. I'll finish that and upload a video regarding that. There are several parts regarding how I made this bike. All those videos are on my channel. You can check out those videos. And next comes this Suzuki Samurai, guys. You can see here. I've already installed a disc brake in it. I've made a video regarding that also on how to install the disc brake. I'll upload it very soon. So subscribe to my channel. And if you see in the rear section, you can see I've made a custom designed swing arm for it. This one, guys, I'll show you. The custom designed swing arm, as you can see there, and it's a monoshocker bike. I have removed the monoshocker in it. I have made a video regarding that also, which I'll be uploading very soon. And this is the Phaser, guys, which I was talking about, which I had bought. You can see most of the parts are already removed in that bike. So when I start building this bike, I'll make videos regarding that also. You can see here, I'll just show you the whole view of the bike. One thing is, guys, we are gonna go mad on this bike because there is a hell lot of things to do in this bike. But I'll do it. I'll make videos regarding that also when I'm doing. You can see here the wiring and all is totally out. We'll have to start wiring first. And this model, it does not have a kickstart, guys. It's having only self start. So I'll have to install a battery in this. And this fairing also, I've already removed it. Only this part is left, that is the rib cage chassis. I'll remove that. You can see here. It looks like this from this side. And this is the overall look of all the 4 bikes which I have. This is the Phaser. Next comes the Samurai. Then the Cafe Racer which I have built. And then my blue color Pulsar. This is the blue Pulsar which people already know. And this is the red color Cafe Racer which I have built. And this is the Suzuki Samurai, which is an ongoing project. And this one, it's the Phaser which I bought it recently. So we'll have so much of work to do, guys. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, because you'll have videos regarding all these 3 bikes. That is that one, this and this bike. And I'll even make videos on this particular bike also, but there won't be deep modification. It'll be some slight modifications. I hope you like this video. So just hit a like button and subscribe. I hope you like this video, guys. So hit the like below and subscribe to my channel also. Love you all for all your support. I've reached 1k subscribers. Soon it's gonna be 10k and 1 million. Love you all. Bye. Stay tuned for other videos.